Emerald Awakening meditation. Do this technique prior to Amethyst Awakening meditation. This technique opens your Kundalini seal and allows you to run frequency currents from the 4th to the 8th dimensions to anchor and activate the rainbow bridge. Do this meditation preferably while standing up. Now let's begin. Breathe slowly. Become conscious of your breath. Take your time to observe your breath and slow it right down. Imagine, visualize and feel a 4-inch round violet dot at the center of the forehead, in the place of your third eye. Try to make the color of the image as strong as you're able to. If you cannot see the color, just intend for it to be a strong presence of violet. Now move the violet dot to the center of your skull, where the pineal gland is, and immediately move it upward toward the crown chakra. Move it into the crown chakra until you sense it or feel it sitting right at the top of your head. Now call to mind the Hierophant symbol, the pale silver Merkaba 6-pointed Star of David. Visualize the Merkaba spinning 12 inches beneath your feet with your Maharic Shield, and slowly inhale the Hierophant up through the central vertical channel to meet the dot on the surface of the skull at the position of the crown chakra. When the two connect, visualize a violet dot bursting into a 4-inch round vertical pillar of violet silver light. And imagine that pillar running down through the body, all the way into the earth's core, and all the way up into the 14th chakra, 36 inches above your head. You now have activated the violet ray of transmutation. Now move your attention to your heart chakra. There, imagine a small green spherical crystal. The green star stationed in the core or the heart chakra, that is the seal that controls the release of the 4th dimensional frequency, phase 1 Doradic current into your body. Attention on green crystal. Focus, visualize and feel the green crystal there. Now inhale, draw in violet silver energy from the violet silver pillar into the green star, into the heart center. Exhale, expand the violet silver energy into the green star sphere at the heart center. Repeat twice more. At the end of the last exhale, imagine the green star popping, turning into a spinning green and violet starburst of light as a violet silver pillar disappears. Spin the green violet starburst faster and faster and faster until it becomes a ball of green violet light about the size of a grapefruit spinning in your heart center. This green-violet ball is your storehouse of phase 1 Doradic current, referred to as the Doradic sphere. Next, inhale and draw pale silver energy from your Maharic Shield up through the central vertical current and up into the center of the Doradic sphere at the heart chakra, encasing the sphere in translucent pale silver light. Keep your attention on the Doradic sphere in the heart center as we move now into the awakening of the Ka. Now inhale pale silver current from the earth's core to fill and expand your Doradic sphere. Breathe slowly, deeply, 2 to 3 times while you do this. Slowly and gently lift both hands in front of you, bringing your fingertips in front of you without your hands touching. Just feel the fuzziness of the energy flow between the fingers. So move them in a position in front of you where you feel the fuzziness the most, 1, 2, 3 inches away, whatever feels right for you. Now slowly and gracefully move your fingertips to the tailbone. Just touch your tailbone very gently, bringing your arms around. And once you've made contact, inhale energy from the Maharic Shield up into the Doradic sphere. So draw deeply up. And while exhaling, push the pale silver energy down through the fingertips and into the tailbone. Inhale Maharic energy once more into the Doradic sphere and exhale, pushing the silver energy down to the fingertips and into the tailbone. Repeat once more. Now move your attention to the sacral, to the second chakra. Visualize, know and feel that there's a double terminated crystal with points on both ends. This crystal will begin to push out out of your sacral chakra. Try to feel the sensation of the crystal pushing out at this chakra center. And if you like, you may use your fingers to assist the crystal forward and out. There is a smaller double terminated crystal in the solar plexus, the third chakra. But this will release on its own now because the currents are activated well enough to do this. But if you feel you'd like to help it out with your fingers, gently and reverently do so. Now bring your attention to your heart chakra. Imagine a little green sphere of energy there. Bring that visual more and more into focus. Look at it intently and carefully. As you do, you will notice a little black cube inside it. Continue to increase your focus on the black cube inside the green sphere. As your focus and intention develop, you will notice inside the black cube a little white cube. Continue to watch, and as you do, you will notice and feel they start to merge. As they start to merge, you will notice a ripple of vibration and a little puff of smoke as they both disappear. At this point, your body has been activated to open the fourth and first crystal seals, and you are ready for the Emerald Awakening proper. When we work with this, we open the green star crystal seal, so keep your awareness on the Doradic sphere, the green violet silver ball at the heart center. Breathe deeply. And as you exhale, imagine, visualize and feel pushing a cord of green, violet, silver Doradic current down into the tailbone, down into the first cell, all the way down to the tip of the tailbone. And just for a moment or two, relax and breathe easy. Take your focus down to the first cell now at the tip of the tailbone. Find there, or imagine with strong intention, a white silver sphere at the tip. Within the sphere, visualize a green sphere. So a white sphere and a green inside with a white silver sphere. Now, inside the green one is a red sphere. Visualize this strongly while breathing. Now move your attention to the heart center, to the green violet silver sphere. And now you'll send a cord of energy down your central vertical current of the green violet silver energy. Down to the green sphere at the tip of the tailbone. So on the next inhale, pull pale silver light from your personal Maharic Shield 12 inches beneath your feet and into the green sphere. And as you do this, visualize the green sphere pop into a starburst of pale green silver light. This element has opened the Kundalini seal. Your white, silver and red spheres remain as you left them earlier. Now we will proceed to open the red star crystal seal. So now return your awareness to the Doradic sphere at the heart center. Inhale deeply. And on the exhale, push a cord of green violet silver Doradic current down to the first cell at the tip of the tailbone. Inhale, draw pale silver energy from your personal Maharic Shield 12 inches beneath your feet, up into the tailbone and into the red sphere, inside the white sphere. As you do that, visualize the red sphere pop into a starburst of pale pink silver light. For the next few breaths, breathe pale pink silver light into the 12th chakra, just 6 inches below your feet, and keep visualizing that pale pink silver light. You have now opened the KEE-Ra-ShA seal, so the sacred flames of the KEE-Ra-ShA, which is the primal light fields D13, D14, D15 frequencies. KEE-Ra-ShA appears as 3 little colored flames that exist in the 12th chakra, 6 inches beneath your feet. The 3 flames are pale blue, pale yellow, and pale violet. So focus on the 12th chakra, 6 inches below your feet, and the 3 flames there. Imagine and feel them there. 1 pale blue, 1 pale yellow, and the 3rd is pale violet. On the next inhale, draw the pale violet flame up from the 12th chakra into the central column to the 10th chakra, 6 inches above your crown. Breathe easy and return your attention to the 12th chakra, 6 inches below your feet. On the next inhale, draw the pale yellow flame through the central column to the 10th chakra, 6 inches above your crown. Breathe easy and return your attention to the 12th chakra, 6 inches below your feet. Connect now to the blue flame. This is a flame of the inner arc of a covenant. With an in-breath, draw the pale blue flame through the central vertical column to the 10th chakra, 6 inches above your crown. Now all 3 flames are inside the 10th chakra, 6 inches above your crown. In your mind's eye, try to see this visual. Feel and connect with all 3 flames together. Now we will create the KEE-Ra-ShA sphere. Breathe easily. Now focusing on the 3 sacred flames, on the next inhale, draw pale silver energy from your personal Maharic Shield 12 inches below your feet, all the way through your central vertical column, all the way to the 10th chakra. Exhale this time slowly and gently. And one more time, immediately drawing pale silver energy up to the 12th chakra. And on this breath, imagine the 3 flames enclosed in pale silver light. Breathe easy for a moment. Now you've created the KEE-Ra-ShA sphere. And on the next exhale, we will move the KEE-Ra-ShA sphere through the vertical current down through the 12th chakra, 6 inches below your feet, and into the 13th chakra at the Earth's core. So let's exhale. Move the sphere down to the Earth's core. As the KEE-Ra-ShA enters the Earth's core, listen to the sound tones with your inner ear. These tones represent the Amenti passkey, which opens your personal Grual point. Breathe easily as you watch for the KEE-Ra-ShA flames rising up through your Maharic pillar, merging through your first cell in the tailbone, releasing the KEE-Ra-ShA flames into your auric field, and passing radiating waves of pale blue, pale yellow, and pale violet. In your mind's eye, welcome these waves and encourage them to move through you. As you do, bring your attention to the first 4 chakras in your column: the base, the sacral, solar plexus, and heart. Visualize, imagine, and feel each chakra emanates a silver Maharic sheath or oval pod completely surrounding each one. This completes the Emerald Awakening, the natural process by which we use unified field physics to trigger our Christ itself. But first, we must establish the link to the Amethyst Awakening, which you can do next, the process of activation and sheathing of the higher chakras. So, now we will work with the 8th and 11th dimensional energies to open the Radic Phase 2 and 3 currents and activate the Theoric Phase 2 current. This is activating the Ra center in the thyroid and anchoring the rainbow bridge. So let's begin. Bring your attention to the third eye inside your forehead. Maintain steady, relaxed breathing. In this position, now visualize, imagine and feel a dark silver dot in the position you focused on. On the next inhale, move the dark silver dot inside the pineal gland straight up through the crown chakra until the dark silver dot sits on top of the head, just on top of the skull in the position of the crown chakra. Breathe out easily. Now next inhale, pull the pale silver energy from your Maharic Shield 12 inches beneath your feet into the dark silver dot atop of your head. As the energy reaches the silver dot, it will pop into a silver starburst. Exhale, push the silver starburst down through the central vertical current into the tip of the tailbone with the intention of expanding the silver starburst fully into and throughout the first cell. Once you've done this, breathe easily and watch as gold-silver current emerges from the tailbone. This gold and silver current begins to flow upwards through each chakra, all the way from the first chakra at the base, through each chakra, all the way to the crown chakra, allowing yourself some time to visualize and feel this with a little space of silence. Now as the gold-silver current approaches your crown chakra, allow it to move upwards into the 10th chakra 6 inches above your head. It continues to flow easily and up to the 11th chakra 18 inches above your head, and continues to flow freely and easily until finally nestling in the 14th chakra 36 inches above your head. Visualize it and feel it there. Now immediately the liveness part of it begins its downward journey. Watch it as it flows with grace and ease, returning through all the chakras back to the first chakra, the base of the spine. As this flow of gold-silver energy develops, it develops a gold-silver sheath throughout your central vertical current. As this process is completing, bring your attention to the second chakra, the sacral, and here we will create a gold-silver ball in the seed seal at the center of this chakra. Imagine, visualize and feel at the second chakra as if it were a bow tie shape. And the seed seal is at the narrow part of the bow tie, right in the middle. The gold-silver ball we're creating here is called the radic sphere. Now inhale, pulling the gold-silver current from the gold-silver sheaths in the center of this chakra. And as you exhale, use this energy to create an expanded ball around the bow tie. Now inhale, move this ball up into the Hara center, which is 2 inches below the navel. This is the 9th silver star signet seal. Exhale gently and allow the ball to expand. Now on next in-breath, move the gold silver ball into the solar plexus, the third chakra, and exhale gently. Inhale, move the gold silver ball into the heart center, and this time exhale, and as you exhale, push vigorously the cords of gold silver currents down both arms and into the palms. So you can feel that buzziness in the palms. You can feel them by slowly and gently bringing the hands in front of you, fingertips facing each other. Feel the buzziness there. This is the Teoric Phase 3 current. So now you've activated the Teoric Phase 3. Activating the Teoric Phase currents in your palms, you're able now to run currents from 4th to 8th dimensions to transmit to the thyroid gland, to activate and anchor the Rainbow Bridge and others. Now you are ready for the Amethyst Awakening. Place your attention at the center of your brain, at the pineal gland. Imagine you can see a pale violet spark of light. This light is the bottom of the seal of your crown chakra. Now take this violet spark of light and move it straight out of the crown. Inhale it up to the 10th chakra, 6 inches above your head. The 10th chakra is now a disc of light blue-black sapphire, a radiant light of blue-black sapphire. Now when this light meets the violet light, it starts to take on a violet hue. Notice how this integration of frequencies takes place. Feel, visualize, and sense it strongly. This violet hue expands as a small horizontal disc. In a moment, you will move it to the 14th chakra. Inhale, and with the exhale, move the disc all the way to the 14th chakra, 36 inches above your head. Notice now it is a 24-point silver star shining brightly. You will now be moving the essence of this star down the central body column all the way to the core of the earth. On the in-breath, start to move it down through the 10th, crown, pineal, throat, heart, solar plexus, sacral and root chakras, all the way down to the 12th chakra, 6 inches beneath your feet, and all the way to the 13th chakra at the earth's core. As it slides down, there's a whole series of violet blue sparks flying out from the planetary Maharic Shield as it locks and connects to the Earth's and planetary 12-dimensional Maharic Shield in the Earth's core. Exhale, feel this aliveness, feel this electrical sparks and activations. Notice the energies flowing up now all the way back to your Maharic Shield, to your pillar of light from the Earth's core. Feel your entire body accepting these energies and activating from the violet energy that starts to reach your bodily cells and plasma. These violet blue sparks are communicating with each other about the mathematical instructions about what to do with your body, your crystal seals, and your chakras. These violet blue sparks are emanating and moving all through your field, your plasma, emotional, mental, and all of your anatomy. They're all communicating together about your entire body, activating and upgrading into your Christic self now. Now take your awareness to the pale silver skin around your body, your etheric body. Notice you have an entire body around you. Your etheric body is radiating pale silver skin, fully charged with the new codes, new information, new frequencies. Your 12-dimensional shield is fully activated now. On the next inhale, you'll be bringing the pale violet sapphire energy from your Maharic Shield and skin. Infuse it all around you. Feel it radiate all the way into your core, into the core of your bones, your skin, and the radius all around you. Take a few breaths and watch as these 3 colors flicker throughout every cell of your physical and etheric layers. Focus on your heart again. You can feel it expand out, and your heart will allow this beautiful emanation and fusion of colors to travel up to your 14th chakra, 36 inches above your head. These energies will expand through every single chakra as a pale silver violet sapphire energy, flowing in concentric waves throughout and around you. All the sparks are communicating with each other now about your Christic blueprint activation. Notice how all the chakras receiving this magnificent energy are activating and shifting. Allow your awareness to sense how this process is awakening all the cells of your body. Brain cells, brain patterns are beginning to respond, activating your fire letters and setting the greater frequencies necessary to activate the fire codes 7, 10, 12 in your DNA template. You are a 12-dimensional Christed avatar here in physical form. Allow yourself to continuously breathe and bring in the energy. Your higher parts know when you have received enough and will momentarily stop the process of bringing in new energies. But you may continuously revisit this activation to reinforce these energies within your anatomy. This concludes the Emerald Amethyst Awakening. Now repeat after me. I am this I am. I am eternal sparks of light. I am the macrocosm and the microcosm. I am the ocean in a drop, never ceasing to exist. I am creation in motion. I am the twilight and the stars, mountains and valleys. I am rivers and oceans, skies and galaxies. I am I. I am one with eternal creation. I am whole in myself. I am eternal. I am this I am.